Hey guys, it's Allie. Today, I'm sharing my personal tips and tricks that help me lose 40 pounds and keep it off. Let's dive into a few of my healthy and motivational tips that will help you get in shape, make you want to work out, help you become more confident and disciplined, and make you feel good about your body. A little backstory. 10 years ago, I was about 40 pounds heavier. I hardly remember it now, I know. And I think I looked beautiful back then. It's just my priorities were a little out of whack. I thought my 20-minute walk to work was enough. In reality, I wasn't putting myself first. I was putting socializing and fun above a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Today, I've turned things around and regularly work out. How did I do it? Well, it started slowly, but if you want big results, you have to make big changes. Rule number 1, pick a plan and work your plan. Show up for yourself. Decide on 3 classes at the gym or local studio this week and actually go. In-person exercising, group exercising, or even personal training helps build accountability. At-home workouts are great, but it's harder to skip the gym when you're already halfway there. Get to know the instructors. It's more fun, you'll be more incentivized to go, and you'll feel guilty if you don't show up. You wouldn't bail on a friend, right? See? Same thing. Also, the fear of getting charged a missed class fee has really incentivized me to get my butt to class. If your gym doesn't have a missed class fee, well, that's great, but consider making a donation to charity if you miss a class instead. Hold yourself to it. Also, working out first thing in the morning means you won't have to worry about it for the rest of the day. Check. Try this for a minimum of 30 days. I know you can do it. Rule number 2, eat to fuel your body. Aim for drinking 3 liters of water per day and avoid sugary drinks. Water is your new best friend. Sugary drinks don't give your body anything back in return anyway, so you're not missing out. Go easy on the alcohol. I love my Savvy Bee too, but it's incredibly hard to motivate yourself to go to the gym when hungover. Finally, 1 salad a day. Eat more than this, but make sure you eat at least a salad a day. I should have clarified. This simple rule ensures a balanced and well-rounded diet. It keeps me full and avoids the snack hunt later in the afternoon. It's easy to follow, it eliminates choices, and I always know what I'm gonna have for lunch. If you're interested in trying out Equinox Gym, click my link in the description below for a trial. There are over 100 locations worldwide. Or click my other link and try a free class at your local studio on the ClassPass app. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know if you made it to workout class this week, and let me know how your 30-day challenge is coming along. I know you can do it.